Laugh it off. Share it with others. Laugh it off. Lighten it with humor. Be gentle with smiles. Write it out. It is easier to see it in perspective when it is on paper. Whenever you write it down, your concept becomes clear. Show it off. Raise your shoulders and then drop them. Okay? Breathe it away. Breathe deeply and exhale heavily a few times. Calm your pulse. When your breathing is regular and your body is relaxed, that is incompatible with anxiety. So you need to be mindful of your breathing, whether you are having abdominal breathing or you are breathing from your chest. Sort it out. List practical options, weigh, decide, and then act. Unlock the door of opportunities. Work it off. Do something physical. Reverse it. Consider opposite approaches. Explore alternatives. Distance is very powerful strategy. Imagine yourself a few years now, how much it will matter then. Whenever something happens, even if it is minor thing, sometimes we catastrophize it. But after a day or after a week or after a month or after a year, that thing doesn't matter. Cancel it. Think positively. Don't let negatives pull you down. Keep an open mind. Went through it. Imagine yourself being successful and feel great about it. Final year, clearing final prop and getting the degree. Hold it. Another very effective strategy. Say stop, pause, and then think. Now take a fresh look. Try to look at a broader picture. Okay? Sleep it. Okay, 7-8 hours sleep is very necessary to keep you fit. Plenty of rest and sleep over weekends, not during your DMO duties. Okay? Escape it. So much beauty around you, so you need to notice it. Notice something enjoyable around you. Develop sport, very important. Try to see others' point of view and forgive people for their mistakes. Build bridges, not walls. And finally, prayers. This would give you a sense of meaning and direction in your life and would be ultimate antidote to various stresses in your life.